Hello, friends! We are going to Adventure Zoo. Come with us. Look! A map! I want to see the monkeys! I want to see the combies. Ben, wait. Stay close.
He is always so excited.
Look at them. They are so funny. Where are the elephants?
This way. Follow me.
Oh no! We are getting wet! That was a big surprise! Wow! It is so cold! They walk like little soldiers! Let us go eat something warm. This spot is perfect for lunch.
It really is. Are you enjoying your sandwich, Ben?
Mom, where is the reptile house for? Oh no! The map! Come back! Please come back! The map is gone. What do I do?
Hello there. Are you lost, little one?
The wind took my map. I can't find the animals.
Is this your map? I found it right here. Shh.
The lion is sleeping. Wow! It is so tall. Look! I can stand like a flamingo. Did you hear that? It said hello.
I am slower than the tortoise. I win the slow race.
It swims so fast and so beautiful. Oh, it is so cute.
The bear is very hungry.
Look at them play. They love the water. The baby animals are so small and soft. Can we take them home? Please, please, please. Today was the best day ever. I love the zoo. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. More adventures coming soon.